Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Web3 wallet on the OKX application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address or phone number and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the exchange page. From here, tap on Wallet from the home page and now tap on Create Wallet. This will now take you into the Create Wallet page. If you have a hardware wallet, then you can tap on the hardware wallet option. And in order to create your Web3 wallet with a seed phrase, tap on Create Now. You will be asked to enable biometric authentication. Tap on the Enable button and then provide your biometrics. And now your wallet will begin to load. This will immediately take you into your new wallet. So now you will be told to back up your wallet. You have two different options, either to back them up onto a Google Drive account or back them up manually using a seed phrase. It is recommended to use a manual backup. So tap on the manual backup option and then tap on Continue. You will now be given a warning to not show the following screen to anyone else. Tap on I understand and then tap on this button once again when you are told to store your seed phrase offline. Now finally tap on the backup seed phrase option and provide your biometrics once again. This will now show you your seed phrase screen. This will be blocked by default for privacy reasons. You can tap on the eye icon in order to unhide this. As soon as you tap on it, you will be shown your seed phrase. Now just take note of the 12 words that you see on your seed phrase, and once you are done, you can tap on the Continue button. You will then be asked to provide the correct words coinciding with various different positions. Just provide the answers by referring to your note, and then tap on Done once again. You will now be told that your wallet has successfully been backed up, and now you can begin to make your transactions by sending and receiving crypto right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new Web3 wallet on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.